Hi, my name is Chetan Makam. I'm SVP and GM for our global blood solutions business at Terumo Blood and Cell Technologies. I think access to blood is a universal problem the globe over. Uh, there's always the challenge of having enough people donate because, as you know, blood is a perishable resource. So, the more donors we can get, the better. So, I ask everyone who's watching this to become a blood donor or ask people to donate. But once the donation comes in, how do you maximize that donation in terms of the components that are needed for various treatments? And of course, the need for blood never goes away. All of you know that blood has been designated as essential medicine by WHO, rightfully so, because for surgeries, for oncology, for trauma, blood products are always used. But as we start looking at treatments for other disease states like sickle cell, the number one thing you need is a good source of red cells to do a red cell exchange to help those sickle cell patients. And we at Terumo are uniquely positioned because we do participate in the blood collection and processing area. We have the exchange with our exchange devices, as well as a whole host of IT solutions and pathogen reduction in some of the world areas, which helps us be more useful to our customers as they try to solve the issue of access of blood across the world. So we continue to work towards that direction.